What is up, you guys? East Valley Hype back. Today, we're going to do a review on a DSM exclusive. See right there. Take a peek at this box. Just tons and tons of detail in this Nigo Force. I don't know if you see the new setup. We're chilling in my new setup. It's my new art piece. Got it from my homie. I'll have a video of that as well. Here's unboxing. Oh, there goes a patch. So this comes with an end patch. And I don't know if you guys can see the paper. There's a special paper as well. And then the inside of the box, I believe it's supposed to look like, I don't know, like a basketball court maybe. Here you're gonna be able to see these patent uppers. There's a patent blue upper, and then these areas on the one that was released on sneakers, these areas that were blue, they were white on that. So this is a Dover Street Market exclusive. That's what they say, but really it was released on the Victor website and on Human Made as well. If you knew, how to understand the CAPTCHA on the Human Made website, you were able to secure these as well. This is a size 9. I was able to secure it like 10 minutes after the release on sneakers, believe it or not. Because I missed on sneakers, and then I went directly onto DSM, and I was able to secure these. And I believe the bigger sizes of the white ones were still available on sneaker or on DSM when I purchased these. I saw that it said exclusive on it, and I wanted to secure the exclusive one. I'm not gonna lie to you. So here's the other pair. Oh, and it comes with a little pin as well. Here's the other pair. Nigo on the back. Luckily, I live where there's carpet on the floor, so these didn't touch the ground technically. It's a Nigo Air Force. It's got a little something right here already, like some glue or something. I'm gonna have to clean it off. Now, you guys see them right here. These are the Nigo Air Forces. I have something special coming in as well for another video, but for right now, this is all we have. So you guys have the patent uppers, complete patent uppers, with the sock liner being, the regular canvas sock liner. Black laces. It comes with an extra pin. And the Nigo patch. So let me know down in the comments if you guys prefer this blue void pair or the white pair, because I believe that this blue void pair is going to do pretty well, just considering that this wasn't like the general release to everyone else. So just give it some time. These will do well. The bigger sizes are already doing pretty well. I think people are just trying to pawn off their smaller sizes, but I'm gonna either hold on to them or let them go for market locally, because doing a deal on StockX or Alias or whatever. See, I won't be making any profit. I'll just be making my money back. So just rather sell these locally, you know, make a quick 20 piece. Right now they're at like 210, 215 bucks. I got them for 160, no tax, no shipping. So if I can make my 40 bucks, I'll be all right. But if not, I'll just hold them because I believe that these are going to do well in the future. Maybe a year. I mean, it is an Air Force. You can't expect them to do amazing, but it is a collaborative Air Force with Nigo. You guys can see it right there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I had for the video today. You guys have any video ideas or anything, any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and drop it in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. See you guys later.